You can't wait for inspiration. You have to go after it with a club. The proper function of man is to live, not to exist. I shall not waste my days in trying to prolong them. I shall use my time. But I am I, and I won't subordinate my taste to the unanimous judgment of mankind. Life is not a matter of holding good cards, but sometimes playing a poor hand well. Life achieves its summit when it does to the uttermost that which it was equipped to do. I would rather be a superb meteor, every atom of me in magnificent glow, than a sleepy and permanent planet. As one grows weaker, one is less susceptible to suffering. There is less hurt because there is less to hurt. The aim of life was meat. Life itself was meat. Life lived on life. There were the eaters and the eaten. One cannot violate the promptings of one's nature without having that nature recoil upon itself. For the pride of trace and trail was his, and sick unto death, he could not bear that another dog should do his work. Love, genuine passionate love, was his for the first time. Is love so gross a thing that it must feed upon publication and public notice? It would seem so. He loved with single heart and refused to cheapen himself or his love. The game of life is good, though all of lives may be hurt, and though all lives lose the game in the end. Show me a man with a tattoo and I'll show you a man with an interesting past. Age is never so old as youth would measure it. I do not live for what the world thinks of me, but for what I think of myself. Where others have hearts, he carries a tumor of rotten principles.